Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss another problem by using method of variation of parameters. Solve the second order differentiation y double dash plus y is equal to sec x by using method of variation of parameters. In this case, this is a non-homogeneous second order differentiation. Here we have to find out the general solution y is equal to y of c plus y of p. Here we have to find out y of c and y of p. First, we find out y of c. To find y of c, y double dash plus y is equal to 0. Consider the left hand side also. Left hand side only. Y double dash plus y is equal to 0. Then write the auxiliary equation. The right auxiliary equation will be lambda square. Lambda square plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, lambda is equal to lambda square is equal to minus 1. Lambda is equal to plus or minus I. This is alpha plus or minus I beta 4. Alpha plus or minus I beta 4. Therefore, the complementary function y of c is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Here, alpha is equal to 0, beta is equal to 1. Therefore, complementary function y of c is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. From this, next we have to find out the y of p. To find out the y of p, first we find out Wronskian constant w. That is y1, y2, y1 dash, y2 dash. Here, y1 is equal to cos x. Y2 is equal to sin x, y1 dash is equal to minus sin x, y2 dash is equal to cos x. When simplifying, we get cos square x plus sin square x. That is equal to 1. Therefore, Wronskian constant is equal to cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. Wronskian constant. Then we can find out the y of p. Y of p. We apply the formula minus y1 integral of y2 r of x dx by w plus y2 into integral of y1 r of x dx by w. When we apply the formula, y1 is equal to cos x minus cos x integral y2 is equal to sin x into r of x right hand side, that is sec x divided by w is equal to 1 dx plus y2 is equal to sin x integral y1 is equal to cos x into sec x divided by w is equal to 1 dx. Then we can simplify this one. When we simplify, y of p is equal to minus cos x sin x into sec x, that is sin x by cos x. Therefore, integral tan x dx plus sin x into cos x into sec x. Therefore, integral of 1 dx. That is minus cos x integral of tan x. Integral of tan x is equal to log sec x. Log mod sec x plus sin x into integral of 1. Integral of 1 is equal to x. Therefore, the y of p is equal to minus cos x into log modulus of sec x. Log modulus of sec x plus sin x into x. Therefore, our final solution or general solution will be general solution is y is equal to y of c plus y of p. Y of c plus y of p. Here y of c is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x plus y of p is equal to minus cos x into log mod sec x plus x into sin x. This is the final answer. This is a procedure to find out the solution of the second order non-homogeneous equation. Here we have to find out the Wronskian constant w. W is equal to 1. After that, find out the y of p. First we find y of c, then we find out the y of p. To calculate y of p, we use the formula minus y1 integral of y2 r of x dx plus y2 in integral of y1 r of x dx by w. By using this formula, we can find out yp. Then the general solution will be y of c plus y of p. Here y of c is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Y of p will be a minus cos x log mod sec x plus x sin x. This is the answer.